Why convert PowerPoint to PDF?
Converting PowerPoint presentations to PDF ensures that your slides look the same on any device. PDF files are widely compatible, secure, and easy to share, making them ideal for sending presentations via email or uploading online. This format also helps prevent accidental edits and maintains your original formatting for a professional result.
Opening your PowerPoint presentation.
Start by opening your PowerPoint file that you want to convert. Make sure all your slides are finalized and review the presentation for any errors or missing content. Saving your changes now will help ensure the PDF accurately reflects your latest work.
Using the Save As option.
In PowerPoint, go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose where you want to save your PDF. In the drop-down menu for file types, select PDF. This tells PowerPoint to create a PDF version of your slides. Give your file an easy-to-remember name so you can find it later.
Customizing PDF options.
Before saving, you can customize how your PDF will look. Click on the Options button. Here, choose to export all slides or specific ones. Include handouts, notes, or comments. Selecting the right settings will ensure your PDF shares only what you intend. Click OK to confirm your choices.
Saving and sharing your PDF.
Click Save to export your presentation as a PDF file. Now, your slides are ready for easy sharing and printing. You can email the PDF, upload it to a cloud service, or print it right away, knowing the formatting will stay consistent for everyone who receives it.